Nivloo kids.
Five little ducks went out to play, waddling in a silly way. Mama duck said, quack, 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 and five little ducks all waddled back. Five little ducks by the pond so blue, splish, splash, splash, what will they do? Mama duck called, quack, 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 then four little ducks came waddling back. Four little ducks went down the stream, chasing bubbles, splash and gleam. Mama duck called, quack, 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 then three little ducks came waddling back. Three little ducks saw a butterfly fly, flapping its wings up in the sky. Mama duck called, quack, 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 then two little ducks came waddling back. Two little ducks in the meadow green, playing the happiest game ever seen. Mama duck called, quack, 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 then one little duck came waddling back. One little duck felt a little shy, watching the clouds drift in the sky. Mama duck called, quack, 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 soon all five little ducks came waddling back. Five little ducks all home to stay, quacking and dancing in a row today.